winning. Please don't hate it.
Yeah. I feel great. I feel great. I feel amazing. Before.
All right, Sniper Gang, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give you guys a quick breakdown on the XAUUSD or gold trade that I took here on last Friday. I actually ended up taking it in the New York session because I was seeing a combination of technical and fundamental confluences. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through some of the technical confluences that I was seeing. I can't give you all the sauce, right? I mean, I can, and if you want it, it's in my academy, but here on the YouTube channel, I'm going to give you guys still some great stuff to look at, but again, I can't give it all away. So let's go ahead and get started on this here. Going ahead and using just the replay feature in TradingView, real simple for you guys that haven't done this before. If you don't use this to backtest, or if you use, I would say, some other type of service to backtest, the replay feature is pretty cool. It's not the same as like a simulation, but it is still cool to be able to go back and just kind of see your confluences like this. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing that I'm seeing, and we're going to be here on the 4-hour time frame. First thing that I'm seeing is that we're kind of leaving downward structure. So we get to the supply zone, demand zone down here. And this is where we're going to create the low. Now, watch what happens here. So they come down to the zone. Like I said, we go ahead and we start getting some price action. Right? Okay. Now look how we're creating these higher lows. Right? So we create this first higher low. Boom. Now I want to see, right, like we start to rally, right? We can already see prices taking out these old highs, higher low, higher low. So from here, once I see the rally, I'm going to be looking back and saying, okay, well, we were heading down, but now can we take out the old lower high since we're rallying up toward it? So let's take a look. Okay, still pulling back a little. Boom, price goes ahead and creates another higher low here. Right, boom, now we're rallying. Okay, cool. So now we've gotten the rally, right? We take out these old highs. So now we're in upward structure, right? I'm going to keep looking for higher lows to be created and higher highs. So, right, we got fresh highs right here. That means we're going to look for a fib, right? Because this is continuation. This is a continuation type structure, I should say. So, boom, we start pulling back. And I'm not saying that, I'm not drawing this up saying that I knew that price was going to come exactly right here. All that I'm saying is that this is what I was looking for and this is where it happened. And what's funny is that even if you don't know exactly where price is going to come to, that's what we use the fib for. You fib from low to high, they pull right back into a golden level, right? So you really can find out where they're going to pull back to as long as you know where structure is going. So let's get back into it. They want to start. Okay, cool. Higher low created. Right, perfect. We're maintaining structure. Now let me see. Are we going to rally again? Okay, we're start kind of stepping up. Boom, we're starting to get that rally. Okay, they're taking off on me. Cool. So now that we've gotten the rally, I'm looking to see, can we make these fresh highs? And they do. They come out. They take it out here. Boom. So I'm going to let them come and stop. Right here, I was wanting to, and I wasn't in any type of trade here, but I'm seeing that they're approaching a supply zone here. So in my mind, I'm thinking that they're going to rally up to the zone. Okay. They don't quite make it there. And this is really where kind of my trade opportunity started to come from. So, right, they fall off here, but they still made fresh highs. So this is still a continuation. I'm still going to be looking for a fib to pull back into and look for a trade opportunity. Now check this out. And I'm going to show you guys, right, higher low. This is from the most previous higher low. So that's where we're going to start the fib from. Grab it. Boom. Right, and we're going to take it right into where price stops, the rally. So we rallied into fresh highs. Boom, we stop here. Now, once I see the pullback, I'm looking for the fib. Now, a lot of you would say, okay, well, this was a cool little fib level right here, 50 fib. Why wouldn't you take this trade? Me personally, like I've said before in my videos, I don't trade the 50 fib. A halfway retracement to me it's good, but it tells me that there's usually more to come, especially if we can get past halfway. So this was okay. But again, this is really me seeing the correction in the market after the rally when we start getting the correction. So I'm still waiting for a golden, level of mine. So now I've got my golden levels down here, right further down on the screen. So I'm waiting for them to pull back into this area right here. And again, this is pulled up. I had this pulled up before the market even got here. Again, because if you know how to use the fib and you're with market structure, you can literally tell where they're going to pull back into. Another cool little confluence that we got here that I just talked about in the video that I just put out is the institutional level that we're sitting at, right? So I know that this is a big level. I know that these levels like to get stop hunted. So can we stop hunt and leave some liquidity here, or not liquidity, but some price action here, telling me that there's some volume and that, we could be getting that next rally up into the zone? Well, let's see. Right, can we make higher high or higher lows? Okay, we're still pulling back. This is the previous higher low, so we're still waiting. Boom, pull right back into it. Now check this out. This was just textbook. Okay, we pull right back into a golden fib, 4-hour golden fib level. I had lower entry or lower time frame entry confluences and fundamental confluences that both matched up right at the perfect time. That's what these dollar signs here represent. Again, these are where my entries were, right down here. Boom, boom, boom. I also scaled in once I saw, right, we stop hunted this institutional level, this big level, perfectly, right? That's what this little eye represents. Look at the price action that we get right off of it. Boom, they take off. Now, I've already taken partials on this since we hit 200 pips from my entry point, which again was right down here. Stop loss was right here under the red line. But guys, they haven't even tried out my stop loss. Like they've just rallied. So again, we got that takeoff. I'm waiting to see, can we get into this supply zone here? Can we get fresh highs? Can we take out these highs? Because that's what the market's been doing recently. So as long as my fundamental confluences stay in check, I've already got my entries. I've already taken partials, so I've already won the trade. Even if the trade wants to come back down this way and do all this, cool. I've already won. They can't take any money from me at this point. Even if it comes back and hits my stop loss, I will be in profit on the trade. So that's the power of taking partials, guys. And this is where I'm looking to see gold next. So guys, in the comments, let me know if you were able to get yourself into one of these trades. Let me know if you guys have used any of the confluences that I've just talked about. And definitely let me know if you learned something. It definitely helps me to, keep being inspired to put out more content when I can tell that you guys are actually benefiting from it. So I hope you guys are enjoying the free stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this trade breakdown, and I'll see you guys in the money. Peace.